Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about some iPhone tricks and tips. So we are going to shoot the entire video in a vertical mode. The reason being I want to show you guys exactly how to get around these tricks and tips on my iPhone and hope it will help you guys. So let's get right into it.
Okay, for the first trick, we can change the color of your display to whatever the color you want. For that one, you have to go to settings, click on accessibility, scroll all the way down to display and text size, scroll down to the color filters, and there you have it. You can change the color of your screen from here. You can change it to red, you can change it to grayscale, and your screen will be all black and white sort of thing. Go back, click on color tint, and here you can adjust the intensity as well, as you can see. You see, so any color whatever you want, just change, and then that's it. Now you can turn this off by going into the same menu and click on color filters and turn this function off, and that's it. Okay, this next trick is my favorite, and as you know, I've been saying a lot how Google and Apple tracks your record. They know exactly where you've been, they know exactly what you are surfing on your phone. So this is how they do it. So for this one, go on to the setting, scroll down to privacy, then location services, scroll all the way down to system services, and then click on significant locations, and there you have it. Apple is tracking everything what you've been up to. You can turn this off from here if you want to, and there you have it. Okay, for the next trick, we sometimes forget our passwords and then we don't know where to find it, but iPhone does store all the passwords. All you need to do is ask Siri, "Hey Siri, show me all my passwords," and there you go. You can see all your passwords here. You can click on any of the account to reveal the password, and there you have it. Okay, for this next trick, it's about taking notes. And if you are taking any notes, sometimes we can accidentally delete all the text. In order to bring it back, all you have to do is put your 3 fingers on the screen and swipe right and swipe left, and it will come back. Okay, let's move on to the next. So for this one, did you know you can measure things with your phone? So all you need to do is go on to the Measure app, pick the starting point, drag it all the way to the bottom, and click on this plus sign again, and there you have it. Let's try it one more time. Click on the starting arrow, drag it down all the way to the bottom, and there you have it. It's that simple, guys. So next time you have to measure something, use your phone, not the tape. Okay, let's move on to the next trick. So for this one, you can click on phone, type in #31# and then call. In this way you will be able to restrict your phone number while calling. That means the person you are calling won't be able to see your phone number. You can thank me later. Okay, let's move on to the next trick. For this one I will show you how to prolong your battery life. So for that one, go on to the setting, come down to the battery, make sure your low power mode is on, and then click on battery health and make sure your optimized battery charging option is turned on. It's always on, and this way you can save a lot of battery and increase your battery life. Okay, that brings us to the next trick. For this one, did you know you can use your iPhone without touching it? So in order to do that, go on to the setting, click on accessibility, go on to voice control, turn it on, and from here you can control lots of things. Click on learn more and there you go. So if you say open, it will open the application name. For example, open TikTok, open YouTube, open Facebook. You can go it actually did open the Facebook. Okay, let's go back. Go home. It did go home. Okay, so try go back, and there you go. Okay, for the next trick I'm gonna show you how to increase your iPhone volume. So go on to the setting, scroll all the way down to the music, click on EQ and then change the playback to late night. This will increase the volume of your iPhone. Okay, that brings us to the last trick of this video. So for this one, open up calculator, and you know sometimes we try to calculate something and then we end up putting the wrong digit. So to solve that issue, all you need to do is swipe left or swipe right, and then you can get rid of that last digit. So again, swipe left or swipe right.
And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel because I make these contents every week, and I will see you in the next one.